Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file KRA tax returns using your P9 form and an Excel sheet. First, gather your P9 form and any other income statements. Next, open an Excel spreadsheet to organize your financial data. Then, log into the KRA tax portal to begin the online submission process. Finally, review your entries carefully before submitting your completed tax return. Your P9 form is crucial for accurate tax filing. It details your total gross pay, which is your earnings before deductions. You will also find your taxable income and the pay-as-you-earn or pay amount deducted by your employer. Look for any insurance relief or other allowable deductions. Always cross-reference these figures with your monthly payslips to ensure consistency and prevent errors. An Excel sheet simplifies data organization. Create columns for your gross pay, taxable income, and pay. Input the monthly figures directly from your P9 form into the corresponding cells. Once all monthly data is entered, use a simple sum function to calculate the annual totals for each category. This organized approach helps ensure accuracy and makes transferring data to the tax portal much easier. With your Excel sheet ready, log into the KRA tax portal using your KRA PIN and password. Navigate to the File Return section and select the appropriate income tax return for individuals. Carefully input the annual totals from your Excel sheet into the corresponding fields on the tax form. Take a moment to review all entries, declare the information is correct, and then submit your return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.